And here's one thing. You don't have to just do people. So I'm going to make a really quick LED dog. Or cat, or, whatever you feel like. Okay, so longer leads over there. Like so. That is positive that way. I'm going to make it... my thought was a yellow retriever. Golden retriever. I don't have dogs. I don't know dog types. I used to have cats, but I'm terribly allergic, so I can't have cats anymore. It's gonna be an orange cat. I used to always like orange cats. So there we go. Trim those just a bit. Let's tin the leads. Cut too much of the solder off over a little bit. There we go. Get one side attached. That is not well attached. So it is better to tin both sides, but my thought process here was that not everybody watching... I really shouldn't be doing tutorials, but my thought process here was not everyone watching would be able to necessarily do that part right there. But I'm going to. You don't have to. It just does make it easier. Cool. So what makes a dog different? Well, the dog has a bunch of legs. So let's get these out. So I am using two different ones because I've got a bandolier of thousands of these 68K that they showed up one day from China. I don't know why. Okay. I feel like a dog should have slightly shorter legs, so I'm going to cut these relatively close in. A cat or whatever this creature is, like so. Okay, and fill a little bit more solder right onto this edge here. Yeah, I disconnected that, so we'll redo that. Try. Okay, so did I get enough to attach it right there? Oh, no, I did not. Okay. Well, we're just going to let that joint come apart as we go. I want to get some solder down here. Like so. There we go. Cool. Putting that in. Just realized you can't remotely see what I'm doing when I'm up at that angle. But there we go. There is the leg. I'm going to try really quickly to bring that head back together without losing the leg. There we go. Okay. Then on this side, I'm going to add some solder right along there. Wow, that just stuck so much better than it did on the other side. I'm going to get the hind legs going there as well. I also just realized this needs to have a tail, so let's cut another resistor for the tail. Okay, so how is the tail going to attach? The tail's going to attach like right there, I think, and then we'll just fold it over. So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, I'll just fix that a little bit afterwards. So the other front leg. Okay, I got that attached. Now the back legs, I'm going to cut one side long, one side short, because we're going to have to get it onto the batteries. So this side I'm going to cut short. Just going to flow some of that solder back there. Like so. And that side like so. And there we go. We have a dog. That leg is not super well attached. Yeah, not attached at all, it turns out. Okay. Let's just come over here. Oh yeah, the solder's just gotten flowed in both directions, so let's just pull some up there to it. And hold until it cures. I've got a lot more solder in there, so it takes a little bit longer for that one to cool down. I'm not super happy with that leg either. Okay, let's redo that leg. Just sometimes seeing it from a different angle makes you realize that, hey, yeah, maybe I should slightly redo some of those things. Okay, cool. We have a four-legged beast. And I hadn't really come up with a great way to do some of these. With this one, we're all just kind of going together. And I just broke that solder joint. I don't know. Maybe we won't show this one. Yeah, I'm just going to clip these relatively short and put it on. So negative is that side, negative is that side. Okay. Go ahead and tin all these leads. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, got a ton of solder on that one time. We'll just cut it off afterwards. That's fine. Tilt that so you can see it a little bit better. Huh, well, I'm thinking maybe these should have been longer. because I just broke that leg off. Okay, well, we're all attached. I don't know. I kind of think it looks more like a dinosaur than a dog, unfortunately. But retack this front paw again. Yeah, so clearly the ones that I practiced on ahead of time worked a heck of a lot better than the ones that I'm winging it on video. Tip for the future for me. And also that didn't light. Why not? Let's make sure that tail's not short. Oh, it is lit. Okay. Okay, well, there we go. There is my dog of sorts and my other 3 people. And let's just bring them all down here so you can see the finished product. The people I'm really happy with. The dog, you know, you can decide how you feel about the dog. I'm not sure, but it was fun. It's fun to do. I'm not sure I'm going to try to do something I've never done on video as the first go. But yeah, there we go. So these are going to go to a friend of mine who's bringing me groceries since I am in day 22 of coronavirus quarantine. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you make some for yourself.